As soon as I heard vaccines were becoming available to the public this year, I made up my mind that I would get vaccinated and that I'd encourage my friends and family to do so as well. I was actually able to get both my doses recently through the mass vaccination site at Boeing, and it was such a huge relief. The past year of masks, social distancing, using way too much hand sanitizer, and basically living on Zoom had taken its toll on me, as it did to others, I'm sure. I'm incredibly fortunate to have been able to avoid getting this virus, and I knew as soon as I could get vaccinated, I would make every effort to do so and accept whatever vaccine was available to me. From what we've seen, getting COVID-19 can be really serious, even life-threatening. And so I weighed the benefits of the vaccine against these potential risks, as I would with any major decision, and the benefits far outweighed the risks. I've always been a big believer in data and science, and my trusted sources like the CDC, our health district, and folks I know in the healthcare field have all said that vaccination is the best thing we can do to stop the spread of this virus and get things back to something resembling normal. Within our local BIPOC community, it looks like the over 65 group is getting vaccinated at a high rate, which is great, but people 18 to 49 aren't getting vaccinated at the same rate, which is going to make it harder for us to get this contained. I totally understand hesitancy, especially in our BIPOC communities, because the healthcare system, in fact, most of our systems haven't always been fair to us and aren't fair to us now. Widespread systemic racism is a major issue that's killing our friends and family members every single day. But I know that this pandemic is impacting us greatly as well. We're more likely to have comorbidities that could result in more serious illness. We're also more likely to have public-facing jobs and live in multi-generational homes that increase the likelihood that we'll come in contact with someone who's been infected. Many of us have lost jobs, missed milestones with our families, and even lost loved ones over the past year to COVID-19. To me, it's clear that the best thing that we can do is continue to abide by the rules in place, like wearing masks when necessary, social distancing, extra hand washing, and also getting vaccinated as soon as we can.